In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project to Asana using CSV Excel or Google Sheets. We'll take a spreadsheet you already have and bring it into an existing Asana project so your tasks, dates, and other details show up instantly. First, open Asana and sign in. On the login page, choose Continue with Google if that's how your account is set up. If you use another sign-in method, that works too. Just get to your workspace home screen. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want these tasks to live. Take a moment to double check you're opening the correct project because the import will add tasks directly to this space and it's easier to get it right up front than to clean up later. At the top of your project, look for the small drop down next to the project's name. This opens the Project Actions menu. From here, select Import, then choose CSV. Even if your source is Excel or Google Sheets, CSV is the format Asana expects, so save or download your spreadsheet as a .csv file first. Now upload your file or simply drag and drop it into the import window. Before you do, a quick prep tip. Make sure the first row of your spreadsheet contains clear column headers. At minimum, include a task name column. Common optional columns that import well are description, assignee, due date, start date, section, and tags. Keep dates consistent. Formats like YYMMDD work reliably, and ensure assignee names match people in your Asana workspace. If you've got multiple projects or teams, keep your file focused to avoid confusion. Asana will scan your file and may prompt you to confirm how each column maps to Asana fields. Review this carefully. If Asana guesses a column wrong, like mistaking a notes column for a date, switch it to the correct field. You'll often see a small preview of how your tasks will look after import. Use this moment to confirm everything lines up the way you expect. When the upload completes, choose Go to Project. You'll land back in your project with the new tasks visible. Scroll through a few entries to verify task names, dates, and assignees imported correctly. Try switching views, list or board, to make sure sections or columns look right. If anything seems off, it's usually quickest to fix your CSV and re-import. And that's it. You've successfully imported a file into your Asana project using a CSV exported from Excel or Google Sheets. This approach is fast, repeatable, and perfect for migrating task lists or kicking off new initiatives from a spreadsheet foundation.